I'll be going over all the foundations that I own and how I find them. My skin is very, I have hyperpigmentation, I have acne scarring, I have all of that, so all my foundations are full coverage. Before I go any further, on my lips I am wearing Shades by Gal, and this is their super gel liner in Sienna 02. Look at this. Jesus, yes, God. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing on my lips, and I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. If you like review videos, let me know. If you're seeing with anything on Instagram or whatever and you want a review of it, just let me know and I'll definitely get that done for you. So enjoy the video, you guys. Alright, hi guys, so this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I really think it is in the color, oh crap, 360. I don't know what color, I don't know what color it's in, you guys. I don't know what color it's in, you guys, but I think it's in 360. But I use this in my get ready with me video, and I got a few questions. I wouldn't say a lot, but I got a few questions asking me how do I find the foundation. Now I live in Jamaica, it's extremely hot. If you hear a whirring sound, that's my fan because it's hot. And yeah, so I don't want to offend any company, because I'm going to treat this as if the company actually say, yo, could you know what I mean? But I am not really a fan of this foundation. I don't know if when I use this foundation, I use the Professional primer, which if you want a review on this, you let me know. But yeah, I use this primer, and I don't think these two work together. I've worn this on many occasions, and I don't like it. It doesn't last long at all. I don't know what its claim to fame is, but it just doesn't last long at all. It sweats off. I am just not a fan. I mean, and I've used other foundations with this primer and Bubble Hunty Child. Let me just tell you, yes, work. But this is just not my favorite. The color matches me, and I love that, so I don't have to mix a lot, and this matches me so well, and I love the glow it gives me. Love, because in that video I had a really nice, like an Egyptian kind of a thing going on, and that glow that it gave me, loved it. But when as I went through the day, it's like my face just looked haggard and tired yeah. So this is, I don't know, I don't like this foundation, so that's what I think of it. Let me know what you think in the description bar below. If there are any other foundations that you'd like me to try, you can go ahead and let me know, but this one is a no-go for me. Alright, so let's talk about the Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo Foundation. I am DC the Smile. I'm actually wearing this foundation today, and Hunty, listen, boo, listen. Love. Love. This is in the color Deep 74. Oh, great. It's at the bottom of it, Deep 74. I love it. I love the packaging of it. It's just so gorgeous. I mean, I think it can come out of this like glass casing, but I don't care. I love it, and I always keep my top on. There's like a top on it right here, and I always keep it on. So this is a definite yes. This is full coverage, where I don't know anybody else, but whatever foundation I use is full coverage, even if it doesn't say it's full coverage. Like mama makes it full coverage, so I do that now. But this is full coverage for me, and this is full coverage. Let me see the colors, and the colors, look at that, the colors are different. This one I have to apply lightly though, because it's just a little bit, as a tad lighter than I am. If I apply too much, then it's going to look lighter than me, and that's what was happening when I used to wear it before. And I used to have to mix it with the NW45 concealer, which I hauled. I'll link that haul in the description bar below. It's very long, by the way. But yes, I used to have to mix it, but not today, hunty. I just wore it as is, and I love it. I love the coverage. This, I've never seen a foundation this full coverage ever in life. Never ever in life seen a foundation give me this kind of coverage. I don't have to layer. It is thick, even though it's a liquid. that's a foundation, I meant liquid, because I've used cream foundations that are full coverage, but liquid foundations that are full coverage is rare in my book, and I love it. So the Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo Foundation and Deep 74, definitely yes, hands down. This is the Black Opal foundation. This one is in carob. This definitely, again, I love it. I don't have any problems whenever I wear this foundation. I wear carob, and sometimes I get in between different foundations, but yeah, so I really don't have a problem with this foundation at all. The Black Opal, it's full coverage. It's perfect for me out here in Jamaica, and yeah, I love it. I love the coverage. It's a stick, and I find that all the sticks that I've used are full coverage, which I love about that, about stick foundations. I mean, stick foundations and full coverage foundations, you can always share them out. So if you don't share it out, meaning you can always have it not appear full coverage, you can apply it with a light hand for not to appear full coverage. You can use a sponge and apply it, or like a beauty blender that will actually take away some of the products. So yeah, in terms of this, the Black Opal, it is a go for me. Yeah, and I like to mix it sometimes with the other foundations depending on how I'm feeling, if I'm too dark, if I'm too light, or whatever. Definitely I really enjoy this foundation. And let me see, is this the last one? No, this is the one that I've used already, and this one is ShadesByGAL, and this is N95. Is this the one? Yeah, so this is N95. I have a foundation routine using this foundation, the ShadesByGAL, and the ShadesByGAL is definitely full coverage. Love that about that. I love full coverage foundations because you guys see my face, right? Like, it is all sorts of whatever, but I love full coverage foundations. So all my foundations are full coverage, and if they won't or not, I will make them full coverage. Know that. So I actually love this foundation because it's full coverage, but it's more, I think, for dry skin. So if you have a dry skin, then this is really good for you because it does hydrate. I am actually going to try it with some other powders that I have. I'm looking down in my little stash with some other powders that I have, but yeah, definitely ShadesByGAL, really nice full coverage. And they have they have the stick and they have the foundation, and I like the stick as well. It is of course full coverage. This is in the color Rich Bronze. I love it. I love how it covers everything. As I said, all my foundations are full coverage, so I mean, I really can't speak to foundations that aren't full coverage because of my skin. It's clearing up, but I have hyperpigmentation along here, my forehead, sometimes I have breakouts. It's horrible. So definitely ShadesByGAL, yes, love. I don't like the fact that this is doing the HD, but I definitely love this one. Alright, and those are all the foundations that I own the motives, but I have not used it as yet. But I have this one here. It's in deep. Hopefully it's full coverage. I'll be doing a full-on motives tutorial where I use all motive stuff and some brushes that I got as well. So I'll go ahead and let you guys know in the description bar how this fares out for me. So please check the description bar for goodies and for giveaways and for stuff like that. So yeah, that's all. That is all the foundation that I own, all the foundation that I have. This wasn't a requested video, but I just thought I'll let you guys know what I'm using at this time and the foundations that I own and how I find them. So I really hope this video was helpful to somebody, and yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next video.